I'm Bharathi. I'm from India. I did my bachelor's in agriculture and computer science. I did my double major, so I liked outside also. And then I did my master's. There also, it's a very sunny area from Kerala, so I was always going outside and I was doing research. But then I got a Ph.D. in Galway. I was so happy. Oh, I got it in the university, university. I'm going to do a lot of research and I'm going to do a lot of activities. And then I came to here and then realized my research place is far away from the university. It is in the Insight Center for Data Analytics. It's in the IDA Park. So I was like, I can't see any people. I was like, oh, I cannot see anyone. Every week I had to come to the city to just look at the people. Oh, there are people here. Nobody is there. So my research, let's go to my research. My research is machine translation of world languages. It's very technical. So I will take a scenario where you, like everybody can understand. I know you are very intelligent. I'm not saying you're not intelligent. so my friend Brandon, he travels around the world. He's just kind of like he wants to travel around the world for work as well as leisure and all kind of things. He always travels. I don't know why. But so he goes to a place where it's kind of like south of India, very small islands where the people are multilingual, but they speak Tulu, Tamil, Kannada. But none of the languages include English, but he speaks only English. He's very proud and he's very enthusiastic about traveling around the world. And he went and he reached there and he stuck there. Nobody around there who is bilingual. They are bilingual, but they are not English speakers. But he needs medical attention now. So what he does is he goes to the medical center. There also he meets a nurse, and he finds out the nurse also speaks only the local languages. So he's like frustrated, and he's really in very pain. So as usual, everybody, he takes out the Google Translate, and he tries to find the language. He cannot find Tulu. He was so shocked. Oh my God. And then the nurse says she can speak Tamil also. So that is a very near language. So he finds, oh, that is a Tamil translate. Okay, he tries to type in big sentences and then he tries to translate. And then after a translation, he showed it to her. But the thing is, it will be like, the translation will be like, have you watched Catherine Tate show? In Catherine Tate show, she will be trying to be interpreter for 7 languages. And she will look at the people and then she will make up a sound based on the people looks. It will be like that, the translation will be. Because to create a computer translations, machine translation, it requires millions of sentences. Computers are not as intelligent as humans. I would say computers are stupid. So they require millions of sentences. But these languages doesn't have, like if you look at the English, French, English, German translation examples, we have millions. We have more than millions and billions of example translations. But that's not available for all the languages. We have nearly 7,000 languages in the world, but Google Translate, which is a very popular translate and it is available for everybody, it has mainly 80 languages, mostly 80 languages. Even with that also, it will be like some of the languages are not very good translations. So our research is we have to make up this millions of example translation. To create that by manual, it takes lots of effort. So we are trying to look at the language family as a group and then combine the resources and take them. So the main idea behind this, if you see people from Scandinavia, people from Danish, Norwegian, and Scandinavian, if they come together, they will be able to communicate with each other without knowing the other language because they are in the similar language families. So we are trying to group the language based on the language families and then combine the resources and use the resources for the creating programs. But some of the languages in India, it poses again another problem. They are all using different scripts. Even though they are from the same language family, they make us different scripts. So it's become again a big problem. Oh, it's always a problem with computers. Computers doesn't understand like us. So we are trying to make the languages, this different script, combine them, and then bring it to a single script. Usually I am going for a Latin script because it's very easy for me. But it can be done in other scripts also. We are working on that. So now we can create a machine translation for all the world languages. We can go everywhere and we can translate anyone. If we are stuck anywhere, we don't need to worry. We will have a translator to translate, automatic translator. And also we can go for online shopping. Yeah, thanks.
Bharathi, everybody! Yeah.